I can make GlitchTrap and gacha online. Couldn't do the ruined FNAF Chica because let's just say she was hard to make, and this is the only option. And please don't hate because I tried my best. And let's do this. Head AC 3373. Eyes 33. Pupils 999. Sleeve 10. Shirt 120. 1201. Oh my god, I don't know, but it's this one, the big one with that circle on it on top. I don't know that one, but okay. Jacket 29. Belt 8. Cape 7. And here's the color. Didn't do the outline yet, so here's the color for that. Oh yeah, for pupils color. And you're finished.